yesterday talking about, remember, we don't want to order when we're out. We want to order at a certain number to make sure that we have that control of what we need to fill during that time frame of product, okay? And we don't want to have too much, which we just talked about. Excess overproduction of labels causes issues also. We've seen that over and over. So we want to make sure we only order what we need when we need it. All right, so part of LandTech, work is flow. As noted, the rethinking of work in accord to lean principle produces the potential for greatly expanded experiences, a psychological flow. Workers in the LandTech manufacturing cells can now see the entire workflow from raw materials to completed machine. Tack time, standard work, and visual controls give an immediate sense of how the work is proceeding. Multi-skilling and job rotation make full use of each worker's skills and frequent repetition of the Kaizen events gives an opportunity to participate actively in the work design. The constraint elimination of MUDA and the movement of workers out of the work cells as more efficient methods are discovered mean that the work is a constant challenge. Finally, there are few interruptions in the form of line stoppages and sudden demands to shift to a completely different task to deal with a crisis. The situation in the office is very similar. Visual control and order taking makes it clear to everyone where LandTech stands, and the new order entry system in which one employee can perform the whole task makes it possible to get immediate results. The Kaizen process in the office melts thinking and doing, planning and acting, just as does in the plan. Finally, the rethinking of development work gives a true sense of feedback as everyone involved in a project works in the same space and projects move rapidly to completion. Employees respond positively to gaining new skills and being encouraged to use all the skills they've always had. The lack of interruptions and conflict over which task to work on next has come as a great relief. All right? So think about all those different changes they've had. A flow. We just got to get in the flow. If everything flows through, it's a lot less stressful. It's a lot less problems. All right? So every time we stop flow, we have issues. And we'll talk about a little bit of stop flow here.
It's really